Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot reset password. Your password cannot include your name, phone number or part of your email address. So guys, if you are trying to set up a password for your Apple ID or you are trying to change the password for your Apple ID but you are facing this pop-up again and again and you are unable to reset the password or change the password for your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically if you are trying to include your name, your phone number or part of your email address in the password, then you will not be able to change the password or set up the password because it violates the policy of Apple ID. So guys, you must not include your name, your phone number or part of your email address in the password, and after this you will be able to easily set up or reset a password for your Apple ID. So guys, simply avoid including your name, your phone number or part of your email address in the password to set up a password. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, here you can see this, I am trying to change the password for my Apple ID, and here you can see this how you can reset or set up a password for your Apple ID. So guys, here you can easily read your password must be at least 8 characters. So guys, you have to put here 8 characters and you have to include a number in the password as well. So guys, there must be a number as well and an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter in the password as well. So guys, you have to simply follow these 4 instructions to set up or create a password for your Apple ID, or you are trying to change the password for your Apple ID. You have to simply follow these instructions. So guys, hopefully after this you will be able to change the password very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.